Hello and welcome to this new video on how to archive all previous chat on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. Now the ChatGPT interface will be open right in front of you, and in the left hand side there are a list of previous chats that you have done. So in order to archive it, you just need to hover around the particular chat that you want to archive, and when you hover around it, there will appear a three dot sign on the right hand side, and when you hover around that sign, it says options. So you have to click on that. As you can see, a pop-up box will appear, and in the second last option there is archive, and you just need to click on the archive and the chat will be archived. And in order to archive all the previous chat, you just need to manually archive all the previous chat one by one, just like I have shown you now. So this is how you can archive all previous chat on ChatGPT. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.